if nifty breakdown देता है, if a nifty breakdown give, then we are going to walk in a 5 point stop loss and 230. तो इस 23,385 याद रखना है, ये मार्केट का एक सपोर्ट बनेगा 385 365। तो इफ मार्केट यहाँ ब्रेकडाउन देता है तो हम इजीली चल जाएंगे हमारे 24,550 के पुट साइड में। याद रखना है 24 के पुट साइड में जाना है, करेक्ट।
बाइंग प्राइस क्या होगा सर?
बाइंग प्राइस 215 है, 215-16, बट मार्केट को थोड़ा सस्टेन करने दो, क्योंकि भाई ये निफ्टी में अभी भी ब्रेकडाउन नहीं मिला। निफ्टी में ब्रेकडाउन मिलता है तभी करना है। अगर रिवर्सल आता है ना तो रिवर्सल में सी साइड में भी ट्रेड बना सकते हैं हम, बट भी वेट करना है। तो मार्केट को सेटल होने दो। मार्केट अभी कोई क्लियर डायरेक्शन दे नहीं रहा है, नाइदर सी साइड नॉर पी साइड। चलो तो अभी पुट साइड का भी ट्रेड इनिशिएटेड होगा, सी साइड का भी ट्रेड। अगर रिवर्सल आने का चांसेस थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि मार्केट जहाँ तक जा सकता है अभी फर्स्ट फॉर कुछ स्टार्टिंग मिनट्स में, वो आपका इस मार्केट का फेस बन रहा है। 5 पॉइंट स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस, 5 पॉइंट से बड़ा स्टॉप लॉस रखना ही नहीं है। डोंट नीड टू कीप ये स्टॉप लॉस मोर देन 5 पॉइंट्स, स्ट्रिक्टली 5 पॉइंट्स होगा। चलो ब्रेकडाउन तो दिया है इस साइड।
जी sorry, can you explain?
Oh yeah. I'm speaking, sir.
Sorry, ji, sorry.
No, nothing worries, sir. What happening now? We till now the market has not given a clear direction. A breakdown has happened, so we will be initiating our trade in both sides. If in downside its market goes na, and the clear indication is saying that it will be going downside. So if here the candle sustains, so we are going to work for 24,550 put side, which I have given in the telegram, right? The stop loss will be 5 points,
Yes.
215 or 16 will be your buy price, so the stop loss will be 210, like that, right? And you are going to work in it, because right now neither on the C
Yes.
side nor on the put side market has given any indication, correct? Side
Yes,
nor
correct.
going downside.
Yes.
It is sustaining at a certain price.
Yes. Okay. Sure. जी, here we won't consider it's a breakout, na ji?
No,
This one?
it's not.
The
No,
third
it's
candle?
no, it's not a breakout still one. If you can see na, if that fourth candle is moving downside na, then there is a breakdown, and there is a chances of put side trade. You can see the candle has
Okay,
sustained.
okay.
It has moved upside and then closed there.
Okay ji, okay. Thanks.
The chances the target will be cleared.
सिक्सटीन पे इनिशिएट होगा सर?
16 पे इनिशिएट, हाँ देखो ट्राई तो कर रहा है मार्केट। यहाँ देखो इसके ऊपर सस्टेन करता है ना, आप ले सकते हो, वो सस्टेन तो कर रहा है। मेन मार्केट में ना अगर आप देखते हो ना, मार्केट में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं मिल रहा है उसे, नहीं तो S16 पे लेके अब इजीली ट्रेड करो। 16 तो क्रॉस कर चुका है।
जी, one doubt ji. As of
Yes,
now,
sir.
we should not trade na ji. Because, as of now, we should not trade na, because of this candle not yet stable na ji.
Right.
Or else we can put for pending order 216.
216 can be the pending. Yeah, what happening na sir, in starting market the market take you to the target with a momentum, right? The breakout,
Yes,
you can
yes.
see na. So what happens, whether market is strong or not depends on, like now, like see, my order has been placed. If your all order has not placed, now राइट नाउ मार्केट हैज सस्टेन्ड हियर. इफ मार्केट यहाँ सस्टेन कर जाता है तब यू कैन टेक दैट ऑर्डर एंड यू कैन कंटिन्यू दिस ट्रेड, राइट. यू कैन टेक द ट्रेड,
Yeah,
बट हाँ
correct.
डिपेंड्स. हाँ, just sustaining here, then the market, then you can take the trade.
Correct. That's why, Jay, because
Yeah,
that candle
yeah,
is grand,
yeah,
I won't take the. As a safe trader, I should not trade.
yeah.
Because once the breakout was done, then
Yes,
only.
yes.
So now I can trade.
Yeah, yes, yeah, yes,
Now I
yes,
can put the.
yes. Those who are new can take 10 points first day and be confident in this market, and those who are old, we can, like that 15 points trailing we can easily do. Chalo, close to the first target. Chalo, the target has been cleared of 230, which was 230. Our system target is 232, and we are going for that. As I have said, market, how long the market can go? It is 24385 and it is through 4365, right? You can easily go 32. The first target, the first target is 232 of the system, but we as a safe trade, first of all, try to take 15 points from the market, and we have taken the 15 points from the market. Market will, if we can see, market will sustain and give a upside a good recovery, I think so. Because if we see the market now, market is today, the market is not very much negative compared to yesterday. Today crude oil prices have also reduced, if we see, and market is trying to sustain. If you can see now, these are the levels close to the support. These are all the support range, and if you can see, it is very close. It has came here, and now there might be sometime that due to volatility it can touch here, but after that a support will be taking and market will again reverse, right?